First five. Jump ball. Outside. CY17 ball. Inbound. Number 6. Pass to number 15. Banta. Binigay kay number 26. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ng pure 16 team ang bola ni number 18. Pass to number 14. Corsanyes. Jump shot. No good. Number 11. Pass to number 6, Martinez. Binigay kay number 25. Pass to number 26, Padilla. Take shot. Foul. Number 20. First personal foul. First team foul. No good. That's one shot to Paltrow. One point mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 26, Padilla. Number 8, pass break to number 22, Shason. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 25 ng CY7 team. Pass to number 6, binigay kay number 15, Banta. Pass to number 11. Time to shoot. Foul. Number 8, Guerrero. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 26, Padilla. Jump shot. No good. Rebound ni number 20. Pass to number 14, Corsanyes. Pass to number 8. For 2 points by number 8, Guerrero. Number 15, Banta, dribble the ball. Pass to number 6, Martinez. Binalik kay number 15 ang bola. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 11, binigay kay number 25, binangat. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 20. Number 20, second personal foul. Third team foul. Aga. One point mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 25. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good. Nakuha ni number 8 ang bola, Guerrero. Pass to number 18. Number 18, sumalaksak. Tinira for 2 points. Rebound number 25, pass to number 6, Martinez. Number 15, no good. Number 8, Guerrero, going down. Guerrero, pass to number 14, pass to number... Tinira, no good. Rebound by number 26, pass to number 6, Martinez. Martinez, generation na, no good. Rebound by number 8, pass to number 22, Shason. Shason, dribble the ball. Shason, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 26, pass to number 6, pass to number 11. Number 11, the layup, no good. Rebound by number 11 again, Tinira. No good again. CY17 ball. Substitution rep. Inbound, number 6, Martinez. Number 15, Banta, no good. Nakuha ni number 25 ng CY17 ang bola. Pass number 15, binigay kay number 11, Jaler. For 2 points. Jaler. Number 22, Shason. Binababa ang bola. Shason, dribble the ball. Pass to number 14, Corsanyes. No good. Ang kilang spot. Nakuha ni number 25, pass to number 6. Pass to number 26, Padilla. Outside, same ball. Subdivision wrap. Inbound. Number 6, Martinez. Martinez. Pass to number 11. Number 11 dribble the ball. 10 to shoot. Number 11. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 14, Carsanyas. Pass to number 8, Guerrero. Oh my goodness. Outside. CY7 team ball. Rebound. Number 2, pass to number 6. Martinez. Pass to number 26. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 10. Player 16 team. Number 22 shots on jump shot for 2 points. Number 6 Martinez. Dribble the ball. To steal by number 18. Number 18. Foul. Who's foul? Number 2 Magpili. Subdivision rep.
Substitution rep.
Ikala. No good. Ang tirang start. Last one shot. One point. Wala sa tirang patrol ni number 18. Inbound number 25, pass to number 6. Martinez, pass to number 2. Magpili. 40 points. Number 18 going down. Number 18. Pinasa kay number 10 outside. CY7 team ball. Inbound number 26, pass to number 8. Martinez, pass to number 2. Magpili again. No good. Number 22, Shasan. Pass fake to number 14, Corsanyes. Take shot, jump shot. Block by number 25. Nakuha ni number 6 ang bola, Martinez. Pass to number 2, Magpili. Back to number 6. Back to number 2. Magpili for 2 points. Time.
Maxi.
Inbound number 81, pass to number 18. Number 18, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 14, Corsanyes. Sumalaksak. Take shot, jump shot for 2 points.
Ang payat yun na.
Number 6, Martinez. Pass to number 2, Magpili. Magpili, dribble the ball. Nabitawan ang bola. Nakuha ni number 18 ng Pier 16 team. Number 18, dribble the ball. Number 18, jump shot. No good. Outside, same. Inbound, number 18. Pass to number 9.
Tama.
Number 10, Corsanyes. Jump shot. No good. Outside, CY7, team ball. Number 3, pass to number 6. Pass to number 2, Magpile, foul. Counted. Number 81. Number 81, first personal foul. Running to penalty. One point, last appeal on Paltrow, number 2, Magpile. Rebound, number 18, pass to number 81, back to number 18. Number 18, pass to number 14, Corsanyes. Oh, Gantawag, foul. Number 25, pushing foul. First personal foul, second team foul. Inbound, number 14, Corsanyes, pass to number 81. Number 81, jump shot. 3 points. Number 6, Martinez, binaba ang bola. Pass to number 3, pass to number 25, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 81, pass to number 18. Number 18, jump block by number 3. Magpile. Naabutan ng bola. Number 2, Magpile, pass to number 6. Pass to number 25, follow up. No good. Follow up again, no good. Pass to number 6, Martinez, for 2 points. Yan. Shout out and happy viewing kay Sophia Martinez, Gilas U16 Women's. Number 81, pass to number 18, jump shot for 2 points. Number 6, Martinez, pass to number 25. Number 25, pass to number 2. Magpile, jump shot for 3 points. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Score 17-14 in favor of CY7 team. Number 18, pass to number 9, Reynaldo, jump shot. Outside, substitution rep. Inbound, number 62, pass to number 19. Number 19, binaba ang bola. Number 19, pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 19. Pass to number 3. Foul. Foul number 81. Datu on second personal foul. Penalty. Tap in daw, tap in. No good. Rebound by number 62, pass to number 2, Magpile. Magpile, dribble the ball. Foul. Who's foul? Penalty. Hindi. Sino? Offensive yata. Sino foul rep? Offensive foul. Number 62. Inbound, number 81, pass to number 2, Guerrero. Guerrero, pass to number 14, Corsanyes. Corsanyes, in a mat, no good. Rebound by number 81, Kinira for 2 points. Dati on. Number 19, binababa na bola. Number 19, pass to number 2, Magpile. Pass to number 19, Kasim. For 2 points. Kasim. Last 50 seconds. Number 8, Guerrero, dribble the ball. Number 8, pass to number 10. Carry on. Making up 8. 5 to shoot. 2 to shoot. Tinira, oh, foul. Number 1. Foul number 1, first personal foul, third team foul. One point mula sa tirang foul throw. Last one shot to foul throw. One point again. Inbound number 1, pass to number 19. Pass to number 2. Offensive foul number 19. Number 19. First personal foul. Number 8, Guerrero. Last 16 seconds. 10 seconds. 81 jump shot, no good. Outside, 27 team ball. Inbound. Remaining time, last 6 seconds. Number 2, magpila. Pass to number for 2 points. By number 62. The inbound, number 2, pass to number 15, Banta. Binigay kay number 11 ang bola. Pass to number 26, Padilla, jump shot, no good. Outside, pair 16, team ball. Inbound, number 81, pass to number 18. Outside. Inbound. Number 22, pass to number 18. Number 18, back to number 22. Shason, dribble the ball. Pass to number 81. Pass to number 14, Corsanyas. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 15, Banta. Banta, dribble the ball. Sumalaksak. Nakuha ni magpili ang bola. Number 2, 6 to shoot. Number 15, pass to number 2 again. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 81, pass to number 18, pass to number 22. Number 22, binaba na ang bola. Shason, pass to number 18. Luterio. Binigay kay number 14, 8 to shoot. Loterio jump shot for 3 points. Number 15, pass break to number 2. Magpili, jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Magpili ang bola. Number 2, pass to number 15. Number 15, Banta. Pass to number 26, bigay kay number 17. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Banta ang bola. Jump shot for 2 points. Small but terrible. Number 22, Shason. Binaba na ang bola. Number 14, Corsañez. No good. Ang tirang spot. Nakuha naman number 15. Pass to number 2. Magpili. Big shot. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 22, Shason. Shason going down. Number 22, jump shot for 2 points. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 26 seconds. Score 27-25 in favor of CY7 team. Number 15, pass to number 2, Magpili. No good. Rebound by number 81, pass to number 22. Number 22, Shason, dribble the ball. Pass to number 18, Loterio, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 17. Pass to number 15. Number 15, Banta. Pinasa. Nakuha pa rin ni Banta ang bola. Pass to number 11. Number 11. No good. Nakuha na ng number 22. Pass back to number 14, Corsañez. For 2 points. Timeout. Number 6, pass to number 25, back to number 6, pass break to number 11. Number 11, tinira sa ilalim, no good. Nawa pa rin ni number 11 ang bola. Chanel, follow up by number 25 for 2 points. Inbound by number 26, pass to number 18, Loterio. Loterio, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 8. Number 8, still by number 25, pass to number 6, Martinez. Martinez for 2 points by number 6, Martinez. Number 9, still by number 2, Magpili. Pass to number 6, Martinez. Pass to number 11, Chanel. Number 25, follow up, no good. Nakuha ni number 3 ang bola ng CY7 team. Pass to number 2, Pile. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 3 ang bola. Jump shot for 2 points by number 3. Number 20. Sumalaksak. Nabitawan ang bola. CY7 team ball. Number 6, Martinez. Binaba na ang bola. Number 3, no good. Nakuha ni Magpili ang bola. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 18, pass to number 8. Foul. Number 3. First personal foul, first team foul. Substitution.
Substitution, ref.
Ano discussion? Tunggu sa'yo. Number 8, Guerrero. Oh, jab ball. Same ball. Same ball. Pair 16 ball. Number 81, tattoo on, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 6 ang bola, pass break to number 11, Chanel. Oh, foul. Buti nilang active. This portion is brought to you by San Miguel Beer Grande. Ito ang beer na masarap, beer na malasa, San Miguel Beer. Ano? Second personal foul, first team foul. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. 1 point mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 11, Janelle. Number 18, pass break to number 26. Number 26, pass to number 81, back to number 18. Number 18, Luterio. Foul number 18. Offensive rep. First personal foul. CY7 team ball. Inbound number 85, 25, pass number 15, pass number 11, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 9 ang bola. Oh, foul number 3. Naglaba yata. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution rep. Nalilito ako. Pwede magtanong? Number 8, Guerrero. Pass to number 18. Number 18, dribble the ball. Pass number 8, pass number 14, Corsanias. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 15 ang bola, Banta. Banta. Jump shot for 2 points. Small but carry ball by number 15. Ano wala? Number 18. Pass to number 14. Foul number 25. Second personal foul, third team foul. Two shots to Paltrow. No good. That's one shot to Paltrow. Ayan. One point mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 14, Corsanias. Inbound number 62, pass to number 15, Banta. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 19, jump shot, no good. Nahabol, yun, dumikit kay Jollibee. Bida ang saya. Substitution rep. Sa Jollibee, dito tayo. Number 26, pass to number 18, Luterio. Pass to number 8, Guerrero. Binigay kay number 81, jump shot, tattoo on, no good. Rebound by number 62, pass to number 15, Banta. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 8, Guerrero. Guerrero, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 26. Take shot, jump shot, no good. Number 14, Corsanias, no good. Rebound by number 25 ng CY7 team. Pass to number 19. Number 19, Kasim. Pinakamasarap sa adobo. Number 26, Padilla. 10 to shoot. Kasim. 1 kilo, no good. Number 18, pass break to number 14, Corsanias. For 2 points. Remaining time, that's 1 minute and 53 seconds. Score 38-30 in favor of CY7 team. Number 15, banta, pass to number 25. Nakuha pa rin ni number 15 ang bola, pass to number 62. Jump shot. Outside. Same ball. Remaining shot left. 9 to shoot. Again, 9 to shoot. Nakuha na ng pure 16 team ang bola. Number 8, Guerrero, pass to number 26. Oh! Foul! Number 25. Third personal foul. Warning to penalty. Inbound, number 26, pass to number 14. Corsanes. Oh, foul. Number 26, Padilla. First personal foul. Penalty. This portion is brought to you by San Miguel Grande. Masarap na, malasa pa. Yan ang San Miguel Beer Grande. Uuwi kang gumagapang. Pa-shot naman. 1 point. Wala sa tirang pass on number 14, Corsanes. Inbound, number 26, pass to number 15, Banta. Banta, pass to number 6. Pass to number 62. Napitawan ng bola, nakuha ni number 18, pass to number 22. Ng tier 16 team. Number 22, Shazan. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 19, pass to number 6, Martinez. Steal by number 22, Shazan. Shazan, jump pass. Jump pass. That's 1 minute. Jump shot, no good. Ako ni number 22, Shazan. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 14. Jump shot for 2 points by number 14, Corsanes. Remaining time is 37 seconds. 35 seconds. Number 15, Banta. Dribble the ball. 10 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Number 19, no good. 15 seconds. Corsanes, pass to number 8, Guerrero, for 2 points. 10 seconds. 5, 3, no good. The end. Number 17. Pass to number 16. Ay, number 6. Martinez. Binigay kay number 11. Jump shot. No good. Excuse me, boss. Thanks, Lord. Kaya na bola. CY7. Number 3. Pass to number 11. Janelle. No good. Rebound by number 8. Guerrero. Pass to number 26. Number 26. Pass to number 22. Still by number 3. Nabitawan ng bola kaya outside. Same ball. Number 16 team ball. Inbound. Number 9. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 8. Guerrero jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 3. Yun, nakuha ni number 22 ng player 16 team. Pass to number 8, Guerrero. Guerrero. Pass to number 9. Binigay kay number 22. Shason. 10 to shoot. Number 26, pass to number 8. Number 10, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 3 ang bola. Pass to number 6. Pass to break to number 2. Magpili. Magpili, dribble the ball. Magpili. Number 17, jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 17 ang bola. Pass to number, yun, still. Nakuha ni number 22 ang bola, Shazan. Shazan. For 2 points. Number 2, magpili. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 6. Chase paper tayo. Number 2, magpili, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 17 ang bola ng first, ang CY7, Tommy. No good. Number 26, pass to number 9, Reynaldo, pangalan ng tatay ko. 10 to shoot. Number 22, shots on jump shot for 2 points. Number 6, Martinez, going down. Pass to number 3. Number 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 17, no good again. Outside. Same ball. Substitution rep.
Substitution rep. Wow.
Wow. Inbound. Huh? Ano? Nakatiktok? Inbound, number 6. Martinez. Remaining shot clock, 11 to shoot. Number 6, Martinez, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 8 ang bola, Guerrero. Foul, number 6. Martinez. First personal foul. First team foul. Yun ang ibig sabihin. Inbound, number 26, pass to number 22, Siason. Back to number 26. Pass to number 10, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 26, Padilla, pass to number 6. Pass to number 2, Magpira. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 8, pass to number 22. Lamang na po ang jersey team. Still, oh. Pwede shoot. No good. Nakuha ni number 10 sa bola, Padilla, pass to number 15. Banta. Diniretso na for 2 points. Number 8. Sabi ko kasi. Number 26. Napitawan ang bola, nakuha ni number 2, Magpili. Magpili, pass to number 15, Banta for 2 points. Number 15. Number 26. Pass to number 10, napitawan ang bola, outside. CY, player 16, team ball. Player 16, team ball. Time out. Player Remaining time na 6 minutes.
Huwag nang may hawak ng bola.
Inbound number 26, pass to number 81, Tattoo on. No good. Still in number 14, Corsanyes. Corsanyes, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 6, pass to number 15, back to number 6, Martinez. Pinaba ng bola, pinasa ulit to number 15 ng bola. Back to number 6, Martinez, dribble the ball, pass to number 2. Number 2, Magpila, 10 to shoot. Number 26, take shot. Nakuha ng third 16 team ang bola at number 22, shot on steal. Pero nakuha pa rin ng number 22, steal by number 11, Janelle, nilayap, no good. Number 22, Shazon, pass to number 26. Pass to number 14, Corsanyes, pumuesto na. Corsanyes, no good. Rebound by number 81, tinirap 2 points. Datu on. Number 2, Magpile, binababa ng bola. Magpile, dribble the ball. 10 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Kuha pa rin ni Janelle ang bola. Number 11. Troubling violation.
Shot.
Remaining time less 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Score 47-42 in favor of Pure 16 team. Number 14, Corsanyes. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 6, Martinez, binababa ng bola. Martinez, pass to number 2, Magpile. Jump shot! No good. Number 22, Shazon. Pass to number 26, pass to number 14, Corsanyes. Take shot, jump shot for 2 points. Time out! CY17. Number 25. Number 25, pass to number 6, Martinez. Martinez, pass to number 2, Magpile. Binili kay number 6 ang bola, back to number 2, Magpile. Pass to number 15, Panta. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 26 ang bola. Number 26, Boca. Pass to number 81. Number backcourt. Number 18 pala yun. Backcourt. Takawa. Number 15, Banta, dribble the ball. Pass to number 2, Magpile. Magpile, dribble the ball. Pass to number 6. Martinez. Foul. Number number 26. First personal foul, first team foul. Hey, let's see where this is going. No good. Last one shot to Bartrell. No good again. On to number 8, number 16 team, ang bola. Guerrero, pass to number 81. Pass to number 20. Pass to number 26. Pass to number 8. Time to shoot. Got you on for 2 points. Magpili. Nakakuha ng foul to number 8. Number 8, third personal foul. Second team foul. Number 6, pass to number 26. Jump shot. No good. Number 81, got you on. Pass to number 18. Number 18, Euterio. Euterio, sumalaksak. Oh, robbery violation. At kung sakaling ako ay iwan mo. Number 6, pass to number 26. Foul by number 26. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 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 No good. Last one shot to Paltrow.
Last one shot to Paltrow. No good again. Rebound by number 26. Pass to number 8. Guerrero.
Pass to number 20. Number 20. Robbery violation. Substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Number 6, Martinez. Pass to number 2. Number 2, Magpili. Dribble the ball. Magpili. Pinigay kay number 15. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 25 ng CY17. Number 25. Inangat. No good. Rebound by number 18. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Guerrero. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 18. Euterio for 2 points. Remaining time was 1 minute and 20 seconds. Score 55-42. Lamang pa rin po ang player 16 team. Magpili jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 18. Pass to number 8. Last 1 minute. Number 20, pass to number 18, back to number 26. Time to shoot. Number 81, got you on. No good. Ang silang spot. Nakuha ni number 15 ang bola, banta. Magpili, jump shot for 2 points. Last 35 seconds. Number 8, Guerrero. Pass to number 26. 30 seconds. Steal by number 2, Magpili. Pass to number 6, Martinez, the layup for 2 points. Last 20 seconds. Guerrero, pass to number 81, Jaguar, take shot. Robbery violation. CY17 ball. Remaining time, last 14 seconds. Last 14 seconds. Martinez, pass to number 15, pass to number 11. Nice, still in number 26, pass to number 8. Guerrero. No good. 2, 1. Inbound. Number 22. Shots on. Foul. Who's foul? Huh? Number 18. Block by number 11. Foul. Robbery violation. Inbound number 19. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 2. Magpili. Number 11, Tanner. Jump shot. No. Now, counted. Who's foul? Number 17. Number 18. Ano? Second personal foul. First team foul. Hindi ko nakita isang daliri. Number 22, rebound. Shazard. Nabitawan ng bola, nakuha number 15. Banta. Banta. Pass number 2, magpilay jump shot for 2 points. Foul. Number 15, Bata. First personal foul, second team foul. Number 18, pass to number 14, Corsanes. Corsanes, dribble the ball. Sumalaksak, tinira, no good. Rebound by number 25. Pass to number 15, Bata. Bata for 2 points. By number 15, Bata. Inbound number, outside. CY17 ball. Number 11, pass to number 15. Still by number 8, pass to number 22. Shazon. Shazon. Binaba ng bola. Still. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Shazon ang bola. Oh. Foul. Number 15, Bata. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Number 18, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 11, pass back to number 2, magpili na bita. Outside! Ang bilis ng bola. Foul. Number. Wait lang. 11. First personal foul. Warning to penalty. Number 14, Corsanyes. Jump shot, no good. Nahuli number 13 ang bola. Pass to number 3. Magpili. Going down. Pass to number 15. Binigay kay number 19 ang bola. Jump shot, no good. Nahuli number 22 ng Pure 16 team. Shots on. Pass break to number 14, Corsanyes. Jump shot, no good. Rebound to number 19. Pass to number 3. Magpili. Pass to number 11. Janur. Dribble the ball. Janur. Jump shot. 20 points. The best after. Number 8, Guerrero, going down. Number 81, Daddy on. Back to number 8. 10 to shoot. Number 14, Corsanyes. Pinira, no good. Rebound by number 25, pass to number 2, Magpili. Magpili, dribble the ball. Pass to number 15, Banta. Sumalaksak. Binigay kay number 19, Guerrero for 2 points. Number 81, Datu on. Pass to number 22, Shasan. Pass to number 14, Corsanyes. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 25, pass to number 2, Magpili. Magpili, dribble the ball. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 81 ang bola. Nakuha ni number 18. Number 18 ang bitawan ng bola. Nakuha pa rin ni number 18. Nakuha ni number 14. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Pass to... Napasa sa kalaban. Number 8, Guerrero. Pass to number 14, Corsanyes. Corsanyes. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 8. Guerrero. Jump shot. Foul. Number 11. Huh? Third personal foul. Penalty. Remaining time, last 4 minutes and 53 seconds. Score 58-55 in favor of timeout. Binigay kay number 2 ang bola. Magpili. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 6. Martinez! No good. Ang tirang is back. Nakuha ng first 16 team ang bola. Pass to number 22. Shasan. Shasan. Binigay kay number 8. Guerrero. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 25. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 26. Padilla. Foul. Who's foul? number 20. Third personal foul, second team foul.
Ayaw. Oo, mga magano ito eh. Overtime. Huwag naman. Hindi na tayo.
One naman.
No good. Nakuha ni number 20, pass to number 26, pass to number 22, Shason. Shason, dribble the ball. Pass to number 26, still. Pero nakuha pa rin ni number 8 ang bola, Guerrero. 6 to shoot. Jump shot for 2 points. All 58. All 58 in favor of both teams. No good. Only number 8, Guerrero. Guerrero pass to number 22, Shason. Shason. Turn to shoot. Number 14, Corsañez for 2 points. Lamang na po ang Pure 16 team. Number 6, Martinez, binababa ng bola. Pass to number 15. Banta, jump shot, no good. Foul. Number 6, Martinez, second personal foul, penalty.
Dami mong girl. Dami mong girl.
No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good again. Rebound by number 6, pass break to number 15. Banta. Nakakuha ng foul. Substitution brought. Sino pa? Number 8, warning to foul out. 13 foul. Warning to foul out. Yes. Subdivision. Inbound. Inbound, number 15. Pass to number 6, Martinez. Martinez, back to number 15. Pass to Pure 16 team. Number 18. Pass to number 14. Labitaw na. Pass to number 6, Martinez. Martinez. Piniretso na. No good. Rebound pa rin ni Martinez. No good again. Nakuha ni number 8 ang bola. Guerrero. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Binaba na ang bola. Number 18, Guerrero. Nabitawan ang bola. Nakuha ni number 25. Pass to number 3. Number 3 ng CY17. Nabitawan din ang bola. Nakuha ni number 26. Number 26 ng Pure 16 team. Pass to number 22, Shason. Shason jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 2, Magpile. Magpile, dribble the ball. Pass to number 15. Banta. Binigay kay number 25. Oh! To Robbie League violation. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Score 60-58. In favor of Pure 16 team.
Malat na.
Number 8, Guerrero, dribble the ball. 10 to shoot. Number 22, Shason. Pass to number 8, pass number 18, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 25, pass to number 2, Magpile. Magpile. Pass to number 15. Binigay kay number 2 for 2 points. Magpile. Score all 60. All 60. Still, nakuha ni number 6, Martinez. Martinez, ni tinira, no good. Nakuha ni number 8, oh, foul. Number 15. Number 15, third personal foul, penalty. Penalty. 1 point.
Yung tawa, mga ma'am. Semis eh.
1 point. Mula sa tirang puncher ni number 8, Guerrero. Number 6, Martinez. Pass to number 2, Magpile. Magpile. Dribble the ball. Time to shoot. 6 to shoot. Number 25, 3 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Follow up, no good. Rebound para number 11. Pilihan, no good again. One in number 8, Guerrero, pass to number 22. That's 1 minute. 1 minute. Number 22 shots on jump shot. 14 points. Sino? Time out. Inbound, number 6, Martinez. Pass to number 15, Banta. Binalik kay Martinez, binigay kay number 25. No good. Banta for 3 points. Sorry. By number 15. Inbound, number 18. Pass back to number 14, Corsanyas. Corsanyas, dribble the ball. Pass to number 22, Shason. 3 to shoot. Last 3 to shoot. Guerrero. Good. Number 2, Magpile, pass back. Janel! 3 points. Yan ang mga may OT, huwag naman sana. Number Guerrero to number 22. Number 22, last 20 seconds. Still number Martinez, pass to number 15. Pass to number 2, Janel! Foul. Number 18, foul number 18. Number 18, third personal foul, running to penalty. Remaining time, last 5 seconds, is score 64-66 in favor of CY17. Kakatalo na po mga... No good! Last 12 seconds. Number 18, pass to number 8, Guerrero. Dribble the ball. Foul! Penalty tayo. Number... Ano? Ilan? Kanino siya sumisenyas? Second personal foul, penalty. Up ka. Senyas na senyas. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. Wala pa po. Hindi pa. Last one shot to Paltrow. One. Inbound number 6, Martinez. Martinez. Pass to number 2, Martinez. Foul. Number 81. Number 81, Hay. Third personal foul. Penalty. Penalty tayo mga kapisak. One point mula sa Piran Paltrow. Last one shot to Paltrow. One point again. Last 6 seconds. The score 68-65. Still 2.